the brake, everything works. Good morning everyone and welcome back to the vlog, and we are headed down to Classic Speed to check out some of the projects that have been ongoing. Now I haven't done this update in a while because we've been so busy with the farm, but today is the day we are gonna go check the GT40, the Camaro, the Grand Sport Corvette that we had sent back and double check everything. Hopefully we can release some cars soon and do some test drives. So we're gonna find out exactly what's gonna happen when we get to the shop. Right now, I brought the hub from the F430 and I need the guys at Classic Speed to machine some bolts for me. It should take us an hour and a half, and I'm gonna stop talking now and let's enjoy the drive. Finally at Classic Speed, I don't know if I'm gonna do a mega update. What I am gonna do is do a lot of B-roll and do a music montage with the clips that we're gonna take, because I did bring the DJI gimbal. So hopefully you guys enjoy this montage video. gonna test drive the GT40. They said it's almost good to go, so we're gonna find out. The rear view mirror is a little loose. Aircon is nice and cold. Okay, we're clear. Brakes need to be bedded in. I don't feel it gripping just yet. And because this doesn't have a hydro vac, you really have to stomp on the pads or stomp on the pedal to get the pads to really bite. Wow, what an experience though. You can really hear the induction intake from the Roush Coyote engine. And we have our new gauges also, which means we're getting more accurate readings. I wish we had a camera car to get some outside shots of this car, because this car looks so good. It's such a unique car compared to other supercars because it's so tiny compared to the modern cars. My knees are literally just bumping the dashboard underneath, and such a weird feeling. Brake, everything works. Alright, we're gonna head back to the car shop and write down the list of things that need to be fixed. Overall, I'm really happy, really happy. Super highlight for my day. Just a few things need to sort out. The gauge clock just turned off, so go to what's happening there. Quite enjoyed that. We're finally leaving the shop, and the test drive in the GT40 was definitely my highlight for today. But for now, we're going to end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed the B-roll montage of all the projects here at Classic Speed. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next video.